Hello and welcome back to another tech unboxing, and today I'll just be unboxing this Daewoo 12 litre dehumidifier. I got this from the Asda. It were on sale at £79, which is cheap. I looked on Amazon, it's about £120, £130, and yeah, got this to reduce the humidity in where I live. And the UK has quite a few of them do suffer with like damp and just humidity. And yeah, I got this to reduce it, also reduce the risk of damp. So take a look at the front. It says reduces moisture, improves air quality, silent mode, which is good. 24-hour timer, dual speed, and suitable for room size. Yeah, this includes a 3-year warranty. On the side it says improve your air quality by reducing the risk of damp and mould, resulting in a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. On the side, moisture reduction removes up to 12 litres of moisture from your home per day, helping avoid damp and mould build-up and cleaner, more hygienic environment. Take control. The variable humidity built-in 24-hour timer allows you to choose and desire room humidity in 5% steps and desired working times via the LED display, giving you more control, more comfortable home. The LED levels indicate when the large 2-litre tank has reached its max capacity, and stop overflowing. The LED will illuminate when the tank requires emptying. Noise reduction. The low powered 185 watts energy efficient motor works perfectly at 36 decibels to keep your room humidity levels comfortable with minimal disturbance, so the machine can still operate even through the night. And this power supply is let's see, it's 220-240 volts AC, 50 hertz, 185 watts. So let's open this up. Yeah, this was a really good price. Sometimes these dehumidifiers can run up quite a bit, but I thought £79, really good price. I was looking at a similar one. I think that was about 100. So definitely save some money here. So on the side, yeah, it's well packed. Take it out of the box. Comes in a bag with the instructions and the drainage hose. Have a look at it. So it's a nice size. Yeah, it's really nice. Quite compact, really. And on top you've got a lock. It's like a child lock, so if your child were to press it, it should be fine. We've got the speed, the timer, the indicator, humidity set. We've got the mode and power. And these are, you pause this and take a look at that. The warning about like fires and things like that. This is the back of your filter. That's taped up, and this is your water tank. Yeah, the water tank should just pull out. There we go. So it's not a very big water tank, it's only 2 litres. So and that's the showing you the controls. Now that's what it looks like with the get to it, the filter. I'll leave that on. But yeah, I hope this helps anyone that's looking for this, or a dehumidifier or anything like that. Know what's inside the box. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.